Mikey, si Gerald lang dapat ang nasa confession room.
Okay lang, good luck. Moral support.
Dahil sa kakakutkot mo ng ingrown mo sa paa mo, kailangan operahan yan. Para hindi daw mag-infection. Do you understand?
Opo.
Because it's swollen.
Pero, kaya pa po, kaya pa. Kung ano, if it's that hard, if it's... kaya pa. Kaya ko pa po, without an operation.
Gerald, the doctor advised us, take out the nail. Do you understand?
Yes, yeah, to take off my nail?
We're just waiting for the doctor.
Now? We're gonna do it now? Or nail po? Now?
Either tonight or tomorrow morning.
Alright. How are they gonna do it? Yeah.
I'm not so sure, but it's surgery.
Bago pa man pumasok ng Big Brother house, problema na ni Gerald ang ingrown niya. Dahil sa kakakutkot, lumala ang kanyang infection. Kaya't minabuti ni Kuya na ipa-opera ang daliri sa paa ni Gerald.
May nakita ng picture eh. Kaya mo niya.
Sige na, Jun. Sama mo ako dito. Dito ka.
Okay lang.
Sige na, kaya ko moral support. Sakit nun. Sige na. Sarado mo yung ano. Pari na. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, just have a seat.
Here.
Mikey, si Gerald lang dapat ang nasa confession room.
Okay lang, good luck. Moral support.
That's it. That's it.